Hello, we are disassembling the spare 13B we have. That is for a customer or the shop, depending if the customer needs it or not. But so far, it's going to be for a shop, spare block. All right, we're almost there. There we go. Pilot bearing removed successfully. Moving all the bolts. It's hot over here. Really hot. Hi, welcome back to RotaryEngineGodFatherL.L.C. We are disassembling a spare block that we have to see if it's good or not. Hoping you enjoy the build series. Thanks for joining us. Make sure no seals are stuck on here. I'm going to take this off, put it to the side for now. Oh, this block was rebuilt before. It has solid plugs. Solid metal plugs, which means it's been rebuilt before. Usually we could use the inner seal to hold in the apex seals and everything, but we don't have that opportunity today because the seals are so worn out that we can't even do that. So what I'm going to do is lift it up and actually let the seals fall out and let them collect inside. Alright. Cool. This is a rear rotor. Cool, it looks good. Cool, this is rebuildable. Bearings are good. Cool. Now we're going to collect all our seals. 3 apex seals, 3 corner seals, we also cleaned the block, so there's a little bit of water, so we want to clean that off. We're going to spray everything with WD-40 so it doesn't rust overnight. Alright, that's good enough for now. It's a little bit of edge wear, but I think it's usable. This was the black seal that I was talking about. I'm going to use on the next rotor to hold everything together. So we're just going to put this to the side, stretch it out a little bit. Another dowel pin out. Another dowel pin out. Okay. This is the tricky part. I'm going to feed the crank through. Crank is out. Eccentric shaft, actually. I'm going to put this to the side. Grab this. So I washed the motor earlier. See all this water? You want to take it off before it flash rusts overnight. Next, you want to grab a bucket, grab any seals that might have fallen out. Just 1 and 2. All side corner seals are here. Oh, look, check this out. A broken corner. This is why it had low compression. Can you guys see that? That's why it has low compression. Apex seal corner. So as I'm disassembling the engine, I'm also diagnosing the engine, seeing what it might have went wrong. And what I've noticed is these corner seals with solid corners have been very rough on the engines and have been cracking. And I don't like to use these. I like to use full solid corners. Cool, I got all 3 corners. Now is the time. Now I'm going to show you how I could use this. So you want to put it over. Put it over a corner. Well, one of the apex seals already fell out, so it might not work how I intended it to, but that's okay. Okay, we got 2 of them. So I use the old seal to hold all the apex seals in. This is the one that fell out over here. Bearing looks good. Looks rebuildable, no damages. Looks like we got ourselves a good block. It was just a damaged corner seal.
Damn, it leaked that much oil from fucking gas.
Yeah, I hope you don't mind being on camera.
I don't care.
For sure.
No, it doesn't bug me really.
For sure.
How were the other blocks? They look decent?
Everything was pretty decent, man. It was just a cracked corner seal. Look, check this out.
Oh,
Yeah, that's what cracked.
that's funny. Usually it's the seals that go inside that they usually give out.
Yeah, the apex seals?
Yeah.
Yeah. They already rebuilt this block before because Mazda ones, these come rubber. This is metal.
Metal.
Yeah, so this has already been rebuilt.